Hey guys, this is Coach and welcome to Grower's Guide, your weekly beginner-friendly cannabis tips and tricks. This week, we're talking about CO2. All right, let's go. So first things first, if your room is not dialed in, this is not going to work. So get your room dialed in first, check your vapor pressure deficits, make that happen. All right, let's go. Let's make it simple. CO2 plus adequate lighting equals bigger, better yields. End of story. Okay. Tom said I need to give a disclaimer. CO2 is bad for your health. You should not be pumping CO2 into your bedroom. Bad idea. But if you have a nice sealed room, when I say sealed, I mean seal it off with foam, seal it off with tape. It has to be airtight. That's going to be fantastic to enrich with CO2. So let's do it. Let's go. All right, so now we've got our sealed room. You're gonna see at the top, we've got a mini split AC. That mini split is gonna do two things. It's going to dehumidify and cool the room. The dehumidifier is absolutely necessary because you're otherwise pumping heat and water into a sealed room, which creates high humidity. You're gonna notice over on the right-hand side, you've got a fan and filter combo. That fan is not exhausting to the outside of the room. Instead, it is just circulating inside the room because you don't wanna lose your CO2. Now over to the right-hand side, I already said right-hand side, look at the left-hand side. Geez, where is Tom when I need him? Look at the left-hand side. All right, you got your CO2 tank and you got that oscillating fan. The oscillating fan is gonna keep the air moving nice and well around the room for you, and that CO2 tank is gonna pump in 900 to 1200 ppm of CO2 throughout the entire grow. This is gonna be fantastic for your plants, but you are going to want to make sure to set this up on a proper controller or a proper regulator system so that while you are in working with your garden, you can lower the CO2 to adequate levels. So stay out of there until it's less than 400 ppm. Hey guys, Tom here. So Coach did a great job again. I mean, I'm loving what he's doing. He's got great hype, but he likes to leave a lot of info out. So I just want to reiterate that if you're going to be doing any sort of CO2 work, make sure your room is properly sealed, that you have proper monitors, regulators, and alarms to notify you in the event that the CO2 levels are too high in any living area in the home. And please ensure that those ppm levels are down to safe levels before you enter your grow room. This has been Vermont Grow Coaching with Grower's Guide. Have a great week.